If you have a pet that's been diagnosed with arthritis, you might be looking into physical medicine and the ways it can help improve your pet's quality of life, improve their mobility, and reduce their pain as their condition progresses. It can be kind of overwhelming to get started, so I thought I would provide you with some pointers when you're seeking out a provider and looking at the various therapies and treatment plans that might be available for your loved one. The first thing to keep in mind is when you're talking with a potential provider is you want to find out what their qualifications are. Veterinarians and veterinary technicians have the training in the particular anatomy and physiology of companion animals so that they can ensure that the therapy is safe and effective for your pet. But not all veterinary schools and vet tech schools necessarily offer training in some of the physical medicine techniques. So you're going to want to find out what additional training they've had. They may have learned some of those things in veterinary school, or they may have gone through a specialized training program. A certification is great, but they may have taken some courses or mentored under somebody else with expertise in these areas. So just find out what experience and training they have. The second thing to consider is that rehabilitation therapy has really skyrocketed in popularity for companion animals. So it can be a little more difficult to access services. And I would not be surprised if you encounter a waiting list in order to get your pet in with the provider. So if you're thinking about doing this, you really want to be proactive and reach out sooner than later. The third thing to think about as you're starting to initiate therapy is it's going to take some time to see results. You may get some immediate effects as far as pain relief goes, but it's going to take time to improve the flexibility of the joints and to bulk up the muscles that are supporting those joints to reduce pain and improve their mobility. So be patient. And if your provider's recommending you do exercises at home with your pet in between sessions, do it if you can. It's really going to help get them recovering even faster. So follow those three pointers and get your pet on the road to better quality of life as they deal with this chronic condition. My name is Carolyn Nahn, and I am the owner and medical director of Arms of Aloha, where we believe every pet deserves peace, comfort, and dignity at the end of their life. If this was helpful to you, please share it with your friends. And if there's anything else you'd like me to discuss, drop a comment below. Mahalo.